Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. All right, we are going to revisit my brand new to this year, 2021, Marabu inks that just came in a week or so ago. I already did a cup with half of them. That was Voodoo Twist, Halloween-ish. That was the metallic inks. These are the rest of the inks in their new collection. We have Ruby Red, Lagoon, Powder Pink, Lilac, Aubergine, Lime Green, and Sunshine Yellow. And this is the deeper white. Now, I wasn't as impressed as I thought I was going to be when I used the deeper white on the last cup. It didn't behave like the Pinata Blanco Blanco, and it didn't behave like the Let's Resin deeper white. Which is what I thought it was supposed to be doing. I thought it was supposed to, be more substantial and therefore produce more obvious white swirling, but it didn't. I don't dislike how it behaves, but it wasn't quite what I was expecting. I suspect this will work really well in a petri dish coaster sort of situation. Maybe not so much for cup swirls, but because this is part of the new collection, we're going to use it anyway. I have this 20-ounce destashed tumbler from Makerflow. I have painted it. I think this is antique white. It's slightly off-white. I was going to use it for something else, and now we're going to use it for this. But it should still be a good backdrop for all our colors. And yeah, I'm just going to suit up and get started. This is your basic alcohol ink swirl tumbler. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, in case you couldn't tell where I was going with it when I was dropping the inks on, I realized after I geared up and couldn't talk to you anymore that I had all the colors, or virtually all the colors of the rainbow. So yes, we ended up with a rainbow cup. Let's take a look. Ooh. It's pretty. It's pretty. I'm not as crazy about rainbow cups on white bases as I am about rainbow cups on bare naked metal. For some reason, I just think that looks snazzier. But anyway, I think this turned out beautifully. I especially like what the red did. Apparently, I was a little uneven with my heat. I didn't think I was, but you can tell that there wasn't nearly as much movement in the middle layers as there was up here with the red, especially when I tilted, which should have affected all of them and did a little bit, but it really got the red going. That looks so cool. The rest of them, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's very pretty. The pink, that powder pink is so pale as to be virtually, I can't tell it's there, which would be what? Virtually invisible. It just becomes part of the red. So, and the lime green wasn't the best green, obviously, but the yellow merged in with some of the blue and gave us another green here anyway. So it looks good. It looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a decal on this baby. So we can, I think I wanna keep this side looking like it is because I think that's cool looking movement over here. So we'll put, there's a big blob of white. We'll just put our water slide right here. Paper towels, have my magical squeegee tool. This is another one of these sort of pretty whimsical pieces of art I find on Etsy that I think, oh yeah, I want to find a cup to put that on. So that's what we're doing. Y'all liked my whatever bird. Not mine, I bought it on Etsy, but it was very popular when I used it on a cup recently, so I have a whatever unicorn now. And even though there are colors here, it is not a obviously white base anymore. I think these are all light enough between the top and the aubergine, which is rather dark. I think a water slide will show up. We'll find out. I did not mirror this, so I'm going to have to put it on the regular way and hope I can. Okay, so here we go. Here's our whatever unicorn. And I think if we put him, let's see, like that. And we lose some of the rainbow effect, but hey, we've got a rainbow already, so not a problem. He's cute. And yes, I will find a better background to put him on so that you can see, here I've got a better picture here. So you can see all the colors. It would go beautifully on a white cup, obviously. Okay. Whoops. A little movement. All right, where do I want it? Since it's moving around, we'll move it where we want it. Like that. Use our magic squeegee tool. I call it magic because it really is amazing how it gets out the wrinkles and the bubbles and the water underneath and everything and makes it lie beautifully smooth. I can never get this kind of perfection when I'm trying to do it with a paper towel. It just does not work for me, but this does. You can get these in some dollar stores anyway. My Dollar Tree does not have them, so I get mine on Amazon, and I'll link to them below. But many Dollar Trees and other dollar stores have these in the makeup section. There we go. Whatever. I do want to put something on the bottom as well. I guess we're going to stick with the rainbow idea. We're going to put a bouquet of rainbow colored roses on the bottom because, you know, whatever. Oh yeah, okay. So I will put a layer of resin on this with Marabu rainbow sparkles in it because, hey, rainbow, whatever rainbow. And I will bring you back for the big reveal, so stay tuned.